Welcome! Today we'll learn about primary keys in a relational database management system by looking at a hotel booking database example. Let's start with the hotel table. It contains three columns: hotelNo, which is the primary key, hotelName, and city. The primary key, hotelNo, uniquely identifies each hotel in the database. Next is the room table. It has four columns: roomNo, hotelNo, type, and price. Here, the primary key is a combination of roomNo and hotelNo, which together uniquely identify each room across all hotels. The booking table contains five columns: hotelNo, guestNo, dateFrom, dateTo, and roomNo. Its primary key is the combination of hotelNo, guestNo, and dateFrom, which together uniquely identify each booking. Finally, we have the guest table. It contains three columns: guestNo, guestName, and guestAddress. Here, guestNo serves as the primary key, uniquely identifying each guest in the system. These primary keys ensure that each record in our database can be uniquely identified, and they help maintain data integrity across the entire hotel booking system.